So, good afternoon, children. We are going to start with the problems related to Pythagoras property. Okay. Pythagoras property I have taught you in the last class. Do you remember? Huh? What is Pythagoras theorem, Pythagoras property? Effins, can you tell me? Pythagoras property?
Ma'am,
Yes.
Pythagorean property, a Greek philosopher of 6th century.
Okay, very good. What is the property I'm asking? What is the property?
Mama, you did not say that. Shahan only said this.
No, I said to Shahan, I am asking you the question. What is Pythagoras property? See, you cannot get up from the sleep and sit like this. Offense, you have to revise. Before sitting in the class, you have to revise, no? What is taught in the previous class, you should know. Okay. Yes. Only few are there. Videos are switched off. Ashwin P. Sunil, switch on the video. What is the problem? Shahan, Karthik, tell me the answer. Okay, Nagul, what is Pythagoras property? Pythagoras property.
Altitude
Hmm.
altitude square plus
What are the names? You know, related to the right triangle? Names related to the right triangle? It is hypotenuse, base,
Altitude.
altitude. So there is a relation between that, no? What was it, Nakul?
Base square plus altitude square is
Base square plus
Suraja, give the
hypotenuse
answer.
square.
Okay. Base square plus altitude square is equal to hypotenuse square. Using that, we have done 2-3 problems also yesterday. Do you
Yes, ma'am.
remember? Okay. So I'll be explaining some of the problems related to that today. Okay. Some problems are there in the text also that we have to do. So see this. So please write down the problems which I am giving, and I want you to give me the answer. And before that, yesterday I have given some homework based on the sides of the triangle, isn't it? Two theorems, two rules we studied about the sides of the triangle. What was it?
Plus
sum of any two sides of a triangle is greater than the third.
Yeah, sum of any two sides
sum of
of a triangle
sides of
will be
triangle is
greater than the
always
third
greater
side.
than the
And
third
also
side.
difference also is there.
The difference between any two sides of a triangle is always lesser than the third side.
Always lesser than the third side.
Third side.
And I have given a problem based on that as homework. The problem was like this. What was the sum? And you have to find, I think 12 and 15 was the numbers given. One side is 12 and other side is how much? 15. And you were asked to find out between which number this side will come. Between which number that side will come. Can you answer? Anybody can answer? I have given homework. All of you should answer. Anyone of
The
you?
third side should be greater than 3 centimeter and lesser than 27 centimeter.
Very good, very good. It should be greater than 3 centimeter and less than 27 centimeter. Because 12 plus 5, 12 plus 15 is equal to 27.
27.
You know, sum of any two sides should be greater than the third side. That means third side should be less than the sum of the other two sides. Okay. So what? So we can say, let it be x. X should be less than, always third side should be less than the sum of the other two sides. X should be less than 27. Then what about the other condition? You can say 15,
More
just
than
subtract the other two sides. 15 minus 12, 3 centimeters. So what is the rule? Rule is the third side
It should be
should be
greater
always
than less
greater
than
than the
27 and greater than 3.
the difference between the other two sides. So it should be greater than, x should be greater than 3 centimeters, isn't it? So we can say the measurement, the measure of third side should be between should be you have to write it correctly, should be, take down this, okay, should be the measure of third side should be less than 27 and greater than, please stop and mute yourself, whichever house is making this much noise, less than 27 and greater than
3.
greater than. Switch off the speakers, children, when you hear such noise from your house. Otherwise, it will be a disturbance for the class. So, measure of third side should be less than 27 and greater than 3 centimeters. Clear? That is about the homework. Good.
Okay.
One.
We
Can I rub the board? Did you copy it? Did you write it?
Yes, ma'am.
I think all of you have done
Yes,
the
ma'am.
homework. Is it? Or not? You forgot about, after sitting in the class, you will forget whatever it is taught, isn't it? Hmm? I'm getting very less response. Okay, I'll give you another problem related to the Pythagoras theorem. Check this. Write down this, all of you. You have to find out what is K.
Ma'am, more than 25.
Not that. That is over. That is over. This is, you have to find the side. Exactly what is the side. The question is this, find the value of K.
23.
Find the value of
23.
K. You got the answer? What is the answer?
Ma'am,
Yes.
23.
23. Okay, let us check. We'll check the answer. Okay, all of you got 23? Just use the Pythagoras relation. What is Pythagoras relation?
Square plus
Altitude square plus base square.
equal to hypotenuse
Square plus base square is equal to hypotenuse square.
23 centimeter.
Okay. So now altitude square means it is 8 square plus base square is 15 square, that is equal to hypotenuse square. So what is 8 square? 60.
4.
Plus what is 15 square? What did you get? 16 square.
225.
225. Okay, that is equal to hypotenuse square. We don't know. Let it be x square. 64 plus 225. What is it?
289.
280.
9.
Okay. So what is x? You have to find out what is x, isn't it? X.
289 divided by 2.
No, it is square.
289.
Sorry.
289 is equal to x into x. How come 23 come as answer? You simply added 15 and 8. No, that is happening in
17.
all the problems. Simply you will add altitude plus base. One square is there, you will forget. So what will you get? 289 is equal to
17 centimeters.
answer is 17.
17
289 is
into
equal to 218. So 17 into 17 is 289. So x is what? 17 centimeters. Okay. Answer is 17 centimeters. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Who said no?
And how will we find it 17?
You just tell me answer. Tell me where did you didn't understand.
Ma'am, how will we find the answer 17 x into x?
Huh?
How will we find the answer 17?
That you have to learn the multiplication of the squares. Squares up to 20. Okay. You learn up to 20. That is up to 20 into 20, 400.
Multiplication table, right?
Okay, wait 1 minute. 20 into 20, 400. Till then you have to study the table of squares. Table of squares means I have told you, what is this? 2 into 2, 4. It is like this. 2 2s are 4, 3 3s are 9, 4 into 4, 16, like that. 5 into 5, 25. Like that, you can learn 11 into 11, 121. 12 into 12, 144. Like that up to 20. 20 into 20, 400. Up to that you have to by heart. You have to study. Okay. Huh? Because this number and all till 20, sometimes prime number comes, you will not get the answer by prime factorization and all. So better you study till 20 into 20. Okay. Then easily you can solve these answers. After that, we will see when bigger number comes, I'll tell you the method. Can I erase? All of
Yes,
you?
ma'am.
Now another, when we do the problems, it will be clear to you, same time. Okay. All of you have written, isn't it? Now another one you see. Next problem is this. Draw this, then roughly, okay, rough book. Take your rough book and write down and find x from this. This here it is given 90 degree.
Ma'am, 625.
Okay, correct. That is square. Find the square root. This Sneha, Soni, Nihan, Salim, Anna, Binu, Jonal, Joseph and all no video. Huh? Find out the answer.
Ma'am, 25.
Very good. Who said? Renan?
Shahana, sir.
Ma'am, I don't know how to get.
I will
25.
explain. You listen, okay? Listen to this problem. Shahan. Shahan got?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good, very good.
Yes, ma'am.
Answer is 25. Okay.
Ma'am, 25.
Afridi, which one you didn't understand? Finding square root? Finding square root is a problem, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Or from the beginning, Pythagoras theorem.
By the beginning.
Okay. So here it is a right angled triangle, isn't it? This is a right angled triangle. And you know Pythagoras property is Pythagoras property holds good for every right triangle. So according to Pythagoras theorem, by Pythagoras relation, Pythagoras property, you can say base square plus altitude square is equal to hypotenuse square. Here what is base?
24 centimeter.
24, the whole square then. Base square means 24, the whole square will come. Plus, what is altitude here?
7 centimeter.
7 centimeter height of the triangle. 7 square is equal to, we'll take it as x here. Hypotenuse is given as x. So x square. Okay. Now we will see what is 24 square. 24 square is 24 into 24 plus 7 square means 7 into 7. That is equal to x into x. X square means x into x. What is 24 into 24 you will get?
24 into 24 equals to 576.
507 plus 7 into 7
Ma'am,
equal
24.
to
24.
x into x. Okay. So 576 plus 49 is equal to x into x. That is something into something is this much. What will we add? What will you get? 576 plus
25. 25. Ma'am, 25.
625. 625 is
25.
equal to x into x. Now, you don't know what is the square root of 625 because you have not studied it. Only till 20 you know. So what we do is we do the prime factorization. We go for prime factorization. Just like you have studied last year, no? If the units digit is 5 or 0, it is divisible by 5. I have taught you last year. If the unit digit of a number is divisible by 2, it is divisible by, or the whole number is divisible by 2. If the units digit is divisible by 5, then 625 is also divisible by 5. So just check with 5. First, prime factorization. I am going to do prime factorization. What do you mean by prime factorization? Splitting down a number into prime factors using prime factors. So 5, how many times in 6? 1 time. 5 ones are 5. Balance 1. 5 twos are 10. Balance 2. 5 fives are 25. Again divide by 5. 5, because this units digit is 5. 5 twos are 10. Balance 2.
5
5
ones
fives
are
are 25. Now again divide with 5 itself. 5, it is units place is 5. 5 fives are 25. Now with 5 again you divide. 5 ones are 5. Till you get 1, we will divide. Okay. So how many 5s are there? Just take it. So 625 is equal to 5 into 5 into 4 5s are there, no? 5 into 5. So I will think of a something into something is this 625. So I want to divide what is both number should be same. So I will take it like this groups L group. So what is it? 25 into 25. So I got x into x equal numbers, isn't it? So what is that? What is x from this? What is
25.
x? 25. 25 centimeters.
25.
25 centimeters we can write. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Nurul Haya is admitted, but she is not entering. Write down these answers. Okay, children? Just write down, take down.
Somebody's in waiting room.
Baiju, I don't know the name. Okay, now we'll do with the next problem. Next one is, I'll give the question. This is a question from your text. Right, all the problems you have to write in the note. Okay.
Okay.
Right, PQR is a triangle. PQR is a triangle. PQR is a triangle. Right angled at P. Right angled at P. If PQ is equal to 10 centimeter, and PR is equal to, and PR is equal to 24 centimeter, find QR. Find QR. So what is the question? PQR is a triangle right angled at P. That you have to check it properly. Where is this right angled? At P. Okay. So exactly at P itself, you have to write 90 degree. PQ is equal to 10 centimeter. PR is equal to 24 centimeter. Find QR. So let us draw the figure. Where is P? Where is right angle? It is at P. So we'll draw a right angle, and at 90 degree you have to mark P compulsory. Now you go in the anti-clockwise direction. PQ 10 centimeter, PQ 10 centimeter. Then PR, PR. So R will come. PQR, PR will come. What is PR? PR is equal to 24
24
centimeters.
centimeter.
Okay. Please stop, switch off the speakers, children. So 24 centimeter and 10 centimeter you will get.
Math answer is 26.
No.
It is
Given 24.
26. 26 is the answer.
Ma'am, answer is 26.
Okay, okay. So here in anti-clockwise direction we are doing. Okay, but you have to draw this and so 24 centimeters. So use the Pythagoras relation. So pi prime pi cube. Use a short form. Short form we'll use. Please switch off the speakers, children. Whoever is making noise. 24 the whole square plus 10 square is equal to PQ square. So 24 square, what is 24 square you got? 24 into 24, what is it?
66.
676.
Plus 100, isn't it? You will get 676. That is equal to what?
676.
PQ
26.
square.
26 into 26.
So 626, 76 you got. That is equal to
26 into 26.
we get PQ into PQ. When you go for prime factorization, you will get it as 26. Just check 676 you do with prime factorization. 2 3s are 6, 2 3s are 6, balance 1. 2 8s are 16. With the 2 again, 1s are 2, 1s are 2, 2 1s are 2. Sorry, 2 1s are 2, balance 1. 2 6 are 12, balance 1. 2 9s are 18. Okay. Here 169, that number will not be, it is not possible to divide further other than check with, first we will check with 2, it is not possible. With 3, it is not possible. With another prime factor is 5, then 7 and 11. It is not possible. What is the next prime number? 13. So when you check, you will get 13 into 13 is 169. Okay. So answer is, just answer it like this, 2 into 2 into 13 into 13. So we'll make pair. We want PQ into PQ. Two numbers, same numbers. How will you make it same? 13 into 2, then another pair 13 into 2. So 13 into 2. Okay. It is 26. So PQ into PQ is 26 into 26. So what is PQ? PQ is equal to
26.
26 centimeters. That is the answer. Clear, children? Hello. Any doubt you have to ask me. Where is your doubt? Children? Huh? Okay, speak out.
No, ma'am.
You have any doubt?
No, ma'am.
No.
No.
Just ask me wherever you have doubt. Afridi? Hello? Afridi?
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Is
ma'am.
it clear? Is it clear to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, can you explain it once more?
Okay, who is it? Amrita.
Ma'am, yes, ma'am.
Where is the doubt? What, which part?
Ma'am, prime factorization.
Prime factorization. What was the number given? 576, no? We did was
676.
no. Huh?
676.
676. 676. We are going to do prime factorization. So what is meant by prime factorization? It is divide a number into, break down a number into prime factors. That is the meaning. So using prime numbers, we will divide 676. We are going to do prime factorization of 676. And you have studied last year what is divisibility test. Divisibility test.
Yes, ma'am.
When the numbers which have the units place like 2, 4, 6 and all, it is already divisible by 2, then whole number will be divisible by 2. So we'll take the first prime number for dividing 676. What is the first prime number we can take? 2. It is divisible because 6 is the number units digit coming. 2, how many times in 6? 3 times.
Three
2
times.
3s are 6. Then again here also 2 3s are 6 we will take. Then balance 1. Did you understand, Amrita?
Yes, ma'am.
This is the problem with you. This is the doubt which you
Yes,
have.
ma'am.
2 3s are 6. Out of 7, 6 is gone. 1 balance. That we will write along with this 6. So it became 16. 2, how many times in 16? 8 times. 338 we got. Again, check the units place. It is divisible by 2.
2.
So again divide by 2.
2.
2 ones are 2.
2.
Balance 1 we will write here.
എന്തിനാ
12. 12. Out of 13, it is 12 is gone. 2, 6 are 12. Balance 1. That we wrote here. So 2, how many times in 18? 9 times.
9 times.
9 times. Okay. Now we have 169 is the number coming. We can try with 2. It is not divisible. With the 3, it is not divisible. Next prime number 5. It is not divisible with 5.
7 not 13.
Cannot get any number other than 13. 11 also will try, but it is not possible. Next, we'll pass on to the next prime number, that is 13. So 13 one time. 13 ones are 13. First 2 numbers you can take together. 13 ones are 13. How many balance? Out of 16, 13 is taken out. Then what is remaining?
13.
3.
3. That 3 we will write here. So what is it? 13 and 39. How many times 13 will go in 39?
3.
3 times.
3 times. So we got 3. Okay. So we will write it 2 into 2 into 13 into 13. So I can make 2 pairs, no? With this, one is 1 pair 13 into 2. The other pair 13 into 2. 2 pairs, equal pairs I made. So what will I get? 26 into 26. Okay. So like that then
676.
one number as 26.
26.
PQ is equal to 26. We wrote. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So this type of problems are there. So I'll just stop the class now. One more period is there for you, isn't it? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So children, today's problems, did you understand? Where we will do more problems like this, then it will be clear to you. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Bye. See you.
Thank
Bye,
you.
ma'am. Bye, ma'am. Bye, ma'am. Bye, ma'am. Bye, ma'am. Bye, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.